Hey, how you doing? The Liberty Federal Credit Union credit card is part of their vertical checking account offering. Okay, so these accounts stand out for its this account stands out for its high interest rates. Okay, and it's currently set at 3.3%. Okay, which appeals to balance up to $20,000, and the interest rate is notably higher than what many traditional banks offers for checking accounts. Okay, so to qualify for this interest rate, certain account activities are required though, but this typically include making at least 15 debit card purchases per month and setting up direct deposits. So while the specific requirements might vary, they are designed to encourage active use of the account. And one of the key benefits of the vertical checking account is it appeals to individuals who want to maximize the return on their deposit funds. Okay, particularly for emergency savings or other short-term goals. So by maintaining the balance up to the specific limit, you as a user or anyone who is doing the right thing can earn a competitive interest rate on on your funds. Okay, and potentially allowing your money to work harder for them or for you compared to traditional savings account. So I'm gonna be discussing further about these, and overall the Liberty Federal Union credit card coupled with the vertical checking account, they provide opportunity for individual to earn higher interest rates on their checking account balances, and potentially increasing their overall spending over time. So I'm going to talk about some merits and demerits about this credit card, and possibly by the time you're done watching this video, you'll be able to make the best decision and know exactly what this card is about, because it's always good that whatever we talk about the good side, we should talk about the bad side. So everything that has advantage, we surely have a disadvantage. So now let me talk about this, and let's get straight to it. All right, so I'm gonna be listing some merit and demerit here. Now the first merit that I see about this credit card is the high interest rate. So the standout features of the Liberty Federal Credit Union credit card is its impressive interest rate. Okay, and this rate is substantially higher than what most traditional bank offers for checking accounts, which kind of makes it an appealing and attractive option for individuals looking to maximize the return on their deposited funds. Okay, and another one right here is the potential for higher returns. Okay, because with the ability to earn interest on checking account balances, then you as a user, you have the potential to grow your savings more effectively over time, and this can be particularly beneficial for those who maintain a significant balance in their checking account, and they can earn a competitive rate of return without having to lock up their funds in a long-term savings account. And another advantage here is the flexible account requirements. So while the vertical checking account does have requirements such as making 15 plus debit card purchases and setting up direct deposit, these activities are typically feasible for many users, and it can be integrated into their daily financial routines, and this flexibility allows users to meet the account requirements without significantly altering their spending habits. Okay, you also enjoy membership benefits because as a member of Liberty Federal Credit Union, you as a card holder, you have access to a range of additional perks and services beyond just the credit card. So these benefits could include discounted loans rates, access to financial education resources, and invitations to community events and workshops. So you also have ATM fee reimbursement. You also enjoy enhanced security features. Okay, and local customer service. Okay, because with the credit union like Liberty Federal, card holders enjoy benefit from personalized customer service and support from local branch representative, unlike all these larger national banks whereby credit union often have a more community focused approach. Okay, so to customer service. Okay, so credit union do have that. All right, and just like I talked about the fee reimbursement, because many credit unions including Liberty Federal, they offer reimbursement for ATM fees incurred when using out of network ATMs. So this feature kind of provides additional or added convenience and cost savings for our card holders, and you can use any ATM without having to worry about paying additional fees. So those are the merits that I see regarding the Square card, and merits that I've been able to ask from other people and what they've seen about this card. Now let's go ahead and talk about the demerit about this card so that you can use it to factor your decision. Now, the first demerit here that I have, or the disadvantage, is account requirement, because while the account requirement for the vertical checking account are designed to encourage active use of the account, meeting these monthly requirements may be challenging for some users, okay, and failure to meet the requirements could result in a lower interest rate, which reduce the overall value of your account or of the account of the person, okay. Also, balance limitation, because the high interest rate only applies to balances up to $20,000. So meaning you as a user with large account balances, in case you may not be able to maximize your earning, then this limitation could be a drawback, all right, for you with significant savings, or those who are looking to earn a higher return on a larger sum of money. Also, limited availability, okay, because credit union membership is typically restricted to individuals who meet specific eligibility criteria, such as residency or employment in certain geographic areas, or affiliation with eligible organizations, okay. So this limited availability could prevent some individuals, okay, or a lot of people from accessing the benefit of the card and the vertical checking account. You also have foreign transaction fee, okay, because with this card, users who frequently travel internationally, you may incur foreign transaction fees whenever you're using the card abroad. So these fees can add up quickly, and it can reduce the overall value of the account. So particularly for individuals that travels frequently, or card holders that travel for business or for leisure, okay. Also, potential fees, because while the credit union often have fewer fees than traditional banks, you as a user, you need to be aware of any potential fees associated with the account. So this could include overdraft fees, fees for additional services, or penalties for failing to meet account requirements. Another point that is a disadvantage, okay, this is another disadvantage, is the limited branch and ATM network, because depending on the size and geographic coverage of the credit union, a lot of users may have limited access to branches, okay, and ATMs compared to larger banks, okay. So this could impact convenience and accessibility for individuals who prefer in-person banking, or in case you need access to cash frequently. All right. So technology limitations, some credit union may have fewer technology capabilities compared to larger financial institutions. So it can also happen right there in this credit union. So those are the things that I have for you in today's video, and I'm certain that these are possibly help you in one or two ways to know one or two things about the Liberty Federal Credit Union. And if you have any experience with them also, you can let us know in the comment box. I'm starting to help a lot of people out there to make the best decision. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it, and I wish you the best of luck. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.